Migrate your Shopify store to aasaan. Go to your aasaan account and select App Market. Select Shopify and install. You have to enter all these fields. Go to your Shopify account and select Apps. Click on App and Sales Settings. Click on Develop Apps. Click on Create an App. Enter the app name. Click on Create App. Click on Configure Admin API Scopes. Select all Admin API Access Scopes. Click on Save. Click on Install App. Click on Install. Copy API key and secret key. Paste the secret key here. Click on Reveal Token once. Copy Admin API Access Token. Paste the Admin API Access Token here. Copy this part of the store URL. Paste the store URL here. Click on Link. Click on Shopify. Click on Migrate. Click on Download icon. Click on Upload icon. You have successfully migrated your Shopify to aasaan store.